Good morning, friends. Myself Devray SM, Assistant Professor and Head Department of Chemistry, Dr. Rameshwar Pudkar, ACS College Sonpet. Today, we will discuss the next part of topic synthetic dyes. Today, we will see the synthesis of some dyes. First of all, we see the synthesis of phenolphthalein dyes. It is very much friendly with us because we use this phenolphthalein as an indicator in our laboratory. So let me see the dye, how it is prepared. Phenolphthalein, phenolphthalein, it is phthalate group of dye and it is used as an indicator. It is prepared by heating phthalic anhydride with two molecules of phenol in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. It is crystalline white solid, insoluble in water but soluble in alkalis to form deep red solution. It is uh, colorless in acidic medium and red in alkali medium. Here we see the preparation of this phenolphthalein. In presence of H2SO4 it gives colorless solution, and in presence of NaOH it gives deep red color. The next is the methyl orange dye. Again it is anionic dye prepared by coupling diazotized sulfanylic acid with dimethyl aniline. Here we see its preparation. Again it is used as an indicator. Orange, it is orange in alkaline solution and red in acidic solution. This indicator is very much sensitive to uh, pH, therefore it changes its pH color in the range of pH 3 to 4.5. It is again not stable to soap and light, and due to this it is not used for coloring purpose, but definitely it is used in laboratory as a indicator. The next is alizarin dye. It is important anthraquinone dye. Alizarin is a dye of splendid color. It is chief constituent of the mother root, which is present as a glucoside. Primarily, it is prepared from the mother root. It is extracted from the root of mother plant, and let's we see how it is prepared. There is enzymatic reaction takes place, and we get the alizarin dye. So again it is it have ruby red crystal color, sublimes on heating, insoluble in water but soluble in ethanol. Again caustic soda, caustic alkalis to give purple red color. So it is again very much important dye due to because it is mordant. It is used as a mordant in the coloration, and it is purgative in a medicine. The next, again the second kind of preparation is from anthraquinone. Here we see the anthraquinone on sulfonation with H2SO4 at 140 degrees centigrade yield anthraquinone to sulfonic acid, which is converted into its sodium salt by treatment with NaOH. This sodium salt on fusion with NaOH in presence of KClO3 at 200 degrees centigrade under pressure to form a alizarin dye. So next is the Kangurate. Again it is diazodide, and it is prepared by the coupling reaction between tetrazo 6 benzidine with 2 molecules of naphthenic acid. Again it is very much important compound. And this dye is firstly prepared to color the cotton directly. Again it is color sensitive and it is read in alkaline solution. And it change its color from red to blue in presence of inorganic acids. The next one is the orange second, that is beta naphthol orange. Again it is azodine. It is prepared by the diazonium salt of sulfonylic acid coupled with 2-naphthol in presence of alkaline solution. Again orange, beta naphthol orange, it is used for the dyeing fabrics. Here we see its preparation. The next one is the indigo dye, and it is prepared by acetylene chloride on reduction with zinc dust in glacial acetic acid yield indoxyl, which on oxidation in air forms indigo. The next dye is the malachite green. Again it is prepared by condensing dimethyl aniline with benzaldehyde at 100 degrees centigrade in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. The formed compound is called leuco. Which on oxidation with lead dioxide gives malachite green by treatment of hydrochloric acid. Here we see the preparation. Again malachite green dye used for dyeing wools and silk directly with mordating with tannin is used to dye cotton. So these are the some dyes and its preparation. So thanks, prepare, see this carefully, see this video, study well. Okay, so the next lecture is being on next week. So I will provide you the PDF notes of this chapter today. So thanks for watching this video.